Hello guys! So for this video ay pag-uusapan natin ulit ang another example ng differential calculus. We have your function of x is equal to ln of 5x squared plus 9. And take note po, yan po ay raised to 3. Okay? So ang raised to 3 kasama po si ln dyan. So there are two formula na gagamitin natin sa example na to. The power rule at saka yung derivative of ln. So if you can still remember, the derivative of our u to the n, u to the n is equal to n times u raised to n minus 1 du. At saka yung derivative natin of ln u is equal to 1 over u times the derivative of u. So ito po yung ating gagamitin. First na gagamitin natin ay ito, yung pinakauna of course na sinulat ko, and then second is yan siya. So, ang magiging u po natin dito ay itong si ln of 5x squared plus 9. Bakit po? Kasi po kasama po si ln na ni-raise po ng 3. Okay? So, our u, okay, let u to be ln of 5x squared plus 9. Okay? So, if we will take the derivative of our u, magiging, yan po yan, no? N times u raised to n minus 1 du. So, if I will rewrite that one, it will become n. So, what is our n? Ang n po pala natin ay itong ating 3. Yan. Yung 3, that is our n. And again, this one is our u, which is actually sinulat ko na siya sa baba, no? So, I will write number 3 here. That's our n. So, based sa ating number 1 formula, ito, so that will become 3, which is our n, ito, times u. So, isulat natin yung ating u, ln 5x squared plus 9. Tapos, n minus 1. So, 3 minus 1 equals 2 times the derivative po of our u. So, what is our u? It's ln of 5x squared plus 9. Okay? So, dito na po papasok yung ating second formula na the derivative of ln u is 1 over u du. Okay? So, ito, ikakopy lang po natin. Okay, let's copy that. 3 ln of 5x squared plus 9 is raised to 2. Tapos, the derivative po of our ln of 5x squared plus 9, which is ito po yung ating gagamitin. So, 1 over u. So, 1. So, this time, what is our u? Our u na po is si 5x squared plus 9 na lang, ano? Yan, si 5x squared plus 9. Okay? So, that will be 5x squared plus 9. And du, derivative po ulit ng ating 5x squared plus 9. 5x squared plus 9. So, we will take again the derivative of that one. So, what is the derivative of 5x squared plus 9? So, magiging 5 times 2. Tapos, copy x. 2 minus 1 is 1. Derivative of a constant is 0. So, basically, it will become 10x. Okay? 10x. So, the rest, ikakopy lang po natin. Same ito, kakopy natin. At ito po yung derivative ng ating 5x squared plus 9. Okay? So, the final answer is 3 times ln of 5x squared plus 9 raised to 2. Okay, itong 10, di ba po, that's the derivative of 5x squared plus 9. Of course, it will be multiplied by 1. Kasi ito, we can write it here, di ba? Okay, so magiging 10x over 5x squared plus 9. So if we multiply 3 times 10x, it will become 30x po. Okay, so now Our final answer is 30x times the ln of 5x squared plus 9 raised to 2 all over 5x squared plus 9.